Okay, let's talk about Module 25, the Green Revolution. And some different things that you need to understand in this module include what are these different agricultural transformations that have happened, and how did these things lead to the Green Revolution? So understanding that, why the Green Revolution happened, it happened so that we could make more food for an exponentially growing population. So that's really important here. And this all occurred. Why did the population increase so dramatically? It's because of modern medicine and also industrialization. So industrialization gave people more money to feed their families. They didn't need to work farms any longer. They could have fewer kids. They had more money, and now more and more people start, we start having like larger families, more extended families, the kids start having kids, and so this just became an exponentially growing situation. Fewer people, we also got better medications, fewer people are dying, and that's what led to the population growth. Okay, so it goes along with the whole demographic transition model as well. The Green Revolution, what did it do that was positive? It led to advances in both mechanization, although I would argue now that we've probably gone too far with that, and then fertilization, irrigation, and the use of pesticides. So understand what happens with each of these things and kind of what happened with each of these things. What are the pros? What are the cons of each of these things? That would be really important to know. Irrigation seems to be kind of a hot topic for APES. They like to talk about that. They like to talk about fertilization more so than mechanization and pesticides. So just realize that. And so let's move on here. And monocropping is something else that we talk about as let me see what this falls under. Oh, okay. This is just another advancement that came as part of the Green Revolution. Again, monocropping is not necessarily good for biodiversity or the environment, but that's here for you. And then we've got genetic engineering and what all has genetic engineering done for agriculture. And so it's important to know that GMOs are important to understand. You should know what a genetically modified organism is. Why did we create GMOs? Are they safe to consume? They do need to be regulated, and the impacts, the negative impacts. So the positive impacts, the negative impacts of GMOs would be another sort of like case study that you should understand, because that is another environmental situation that you should be able to provide background information on. Okay, so we've got this information here, and then that's pretty much it for Module 25.